In today's vlog, we're going to take you by 2 waterfalls that you can see without having to hike. You can just park your car and you're there. Walk a little bit, but pretty much there once you park. The first one we stop at is the Sinks, and the second one we stop at is Meig's Falls. So now we're over here at the Sinks waterfall. It's kind of a shorter one, but it's got a lot of water pressure, so it's really cool looking. So this one, they really warn everyone to stay away from the water. It's pretty dangerous. They have a few different trails here. There's Meig's Creek Trail, Meig's Mountain Trail, 3.5 miles, Lumber Ridge Trail, 3.5, and Tree Mount Trailhead is on 7.6. I think we're gonna just walk up a little bit, and then we're gonna get in the car and go up to Meig's Trail. That's how you say it, right? I don't know. Meig's. And they have a waterfall there. And we'll see what else we can find. Someone is a sleepy little hiker right here. You give me fist bump? Boom. What? You're gonna deny me?
No. Glasses, where's yours?
Mama, give me boom.
Boom.
Oh,
Boom.
you Kale? Oh,
I want my glasses.
it's a little stinker. This is pretty. Now that we came down, it's time to go back up. You ready? We got this? Hey, Cash. He's got this. Look at him go. Look at him go. Slow down, hot rod.
No.
Whew, you're gonna carry me?
No.
Why not?
That's your runner.
Hey, we need to go. All right, we can go that way, I guess. Looks a little bit easier. Hey, there's Bobby. What are we doing? Now we're going over to Meig Falls. No, it's just right in this valley. It's just another medium-sized waterfall, but it's kind of cool because we can just park the car and check it out. Meig Falls. I hope I'm saying that right. Let me know in the comments if you know how to actually say it. Walk over this way more to see it, I guess. Stay away from the road, buddy.
Okay.
There it is, see it?
Yes, let's
Stay right
climb
here.
up.
No, we're not climbing over this.
Oh.
Look at that, you don't want to climb over this. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button. If you want to see more travel videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And in next week's video, we're going to be going to Cades Cove in the Great Smoky Mountains. Check out some old cabins and some really cool historical stuff. So keep an eye out for that, and we'll see you guys in the next trip.